The sound of this letter is capital small For this sound, we must imagine our favorite food. We need to put our lips together. Is for moon. Is for mouse. Is for milk. Is for monkey. Let's practice. Which word has a different sound? Milk. Milk. Does milk start with milk? Yes, very good. Ball. Does ball start with No, cross out. Monkey. Monkey. Does monkey start with Monkey. Yes, very good. Banana. Banana. Does banana start with banana? No. Cross out. Lollipop. Lollipop. Does lollipop start with lollipop? No. Cross out. Moon. Moon. Does moon start with moon? Yes, very good. Capital small